Can you hear me?
To let you know that So hello guys, welcome once again. Let's go. Today we're gonna review the ACTITOP camera 4K. So let's go.
Hello guys, welcome once again. Let's go. Today from the top. Hi guys, how you doing? Good, yeah? Nice. Today I'm gonna review the camera and shoulder back that is high capacity. We got the camera, got back for it, light, microphone, pins. That is easy life, high quality, high capacity. Already, because I couldn't wait how it's gonna be work, so I just make some I already made some movies, some videos. I'm gonna put it as well in my video in the description below, or even in that video. And that is camera, how you can see, 4K, but should be 4K. You can just tell me if that is 4K or if not. It's called ACTITOP 4K, ACTITOP camera. Anyway, it came with USB cable for the charger, the battery. The charger is not included because you can plug in that to your normal socket, charge socket from your phone, and that goes to the camera. So that is the cable. Then you got I should have some more here. Yeah. Then you got back. It looks like that. Nice handle, many pockets. But to be honest with you, they are just useful. Why? I'm gonna tell you in a minute. Here we got the cover for the lens, which I will show you in a minute. Here you are. Here's the lens. It's original from the box. It came like that, and that was in this bag, like that. Tam, 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 tam. But of course I open it because I couldn't wait. So that is how it looks like. Then you got the cover, which I'm using on a daily basis to secure your lens. And then here on the bottom, on the top, on the down or wherever, that the parts come to the camera. And now I'm gonna show you how the camera looks like. Tam, 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 tam. That's the camera. f3.0, 60x digital zoom, but the zoom is not useful because when you're gonna zoom in, then the pixels are very just disaster. I can't find, there's my battery. So you got two batteries. I just put the numbers on those to make sure which I charge, which I was using, and you know, that kind of stuff. And why I told you that it's the battery is just normal like that. Charge, and it is in. Why that is useful? Because when you put together here the lenses cable, you just screw in, and it's in. But back is just useful because you're not gonna fit it. You will have to all the time just unscrew it, take the microphone out, and that kind of stuff. So that is just. And as well, those are just not useful because when you're gonna put those just in here, and here the other one as well, the camera is not gonna fit. So bye bye. So we got microphone, quite nice. You got 1, 2, 3 options of the decibels and 2 options on this side. I do not quite yet know what they are doing, but they are here. On the bottom we got off and those two, and here minus 20 decibels, 0 and plus 20 decibels. I just very easily put that over here, screw it to just hold it nice and tightly, like that. Then you need to open it. Here you got this, and you are just putting the mic in, and you're ready to go. The screen, you can just maximum how it goes, not this way, not there. That is maximum, that's maximum, and here's maximum. You cannot, you know, like hold it like that, and if you wish to see, you will not be able to see. Maybe like this, but anyway, the screen is not upside down by itself, so you can use it. You can, of course, you know, because you're gonna see it here, but anyway. And what we got here? Menu button, okay, up, down. Menus goes very easily. It's seriously very easy to use. Wi-Fi, for me, for the all beginners, YouTubers, or people who wish to just make some quick, nice movies. So that camera is just exactly for those who just, you know, like to have easy lives. Another thing, how you can see, it's showing here night shoots. It don't came with this camera. That option is not available over here. I checked the all menu, it's not here at all. And here, zoom in, zoom out, photo button, menu button. Here you just press it to record it. What else came with the camera? The light, LED light, very bright. You got 2 options. That is the lower, that is the higher. You can see that. I think you can't, or you can. No, but anyway, you got button here that makes lower light or higher light, and you can easily just put it. Just let me that unscrew it very quickly, because I don't want to make that movie, you know, like 100 minutes. So yeah, putting the light over here, jack, microphone on the top, and again, you are ready to go. Easy, nicey. So just let me take everything out, not broke it, because I'm gonna kill myself. That's it. What else we got? We got the HDMI cable, mini and the normal for the TV, stereo microphone, manual, LED light manual, and camera manual. Some more information about it, produce review, that of stuff, and that's it.
So now I'm gonna show you a few resolution sample example of the ACTITOP 4K camera. Let's go! Especially I didn't change any volume controls of the sound of that movie to hear how the voice of that microphone, which one is included with the camera, you can hear it. How you can hear it? 2880 times 2160, 24 frames per second. As you can see, that should be 4K. We're gonna see how it looks like. As well, we're gonna test our microphone. So yes, just stay tuned and see you soon. Oh, I lost my words. But anyway, 2080 times 720, 60 frames per second. So that is how it looks like. As you can see behind me. So yeah, next one. So now we're gonna check the resolution 20 times 1080 60 frames per second. Camera, yes I am. 2460 times 1440 50 frames per second. We're gonna check how that's all gonna looks like. So we got 4K 24 frames per second, the higher resolution. Now we're gonna check the zoom, how it gonna looks like. Let me try the stones over here. That's the maximum zoom I can do. Let's check the water. It is flowing how it should do, nicely smoothly. Again, the stones is catching the focus very easily, and now battery gonna die in a minute. So that is battery which I didn't charge it yet, but yeah, we'll see in the future how it's gonna be recorded, and at the same time how my voice is recorded. So see you on the next one. Next one, 1280 times 720, that is 30 frames per second. So, how you gonna see? Yeah, nice one. Now we got 1920 times 1080, 50 frames per second. Now we're gonna check how that looks like. Hopefully you can hear me. We got as well the microphone test. So yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. I'm gonna put link below if you're gonna be interested with that camera. If not, then don't click it. Subscribe, comment, let me know what you think about the movie, about the resolution, about the voice volume of that microphone. And yeah, thank you very much and see you at the next video. Let's go!